How to turn on calls on your Snapchat app. In this video, I'll be guiding you how to turn on calls on a Snapchat application. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you'll be learning about how to turn calls on a Snapchat app. For that, simply you need to open the Snapchat application. Once you open it, you will get access to this camera section where you have to tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen to access the chat section. Once you open it, you need to tap and hold any of your friends' profile that you want to turn on calls on a Snapchat app. So let's tap and hold it, and on this box you will see the option of chat and notification settings. Tap on it and now select the option of notification settings. Here you will get two options, that is chat and calls to mute, but here we want to turn on calls on the Snapchat app. Unfortunately, or if you have muted calls of someone and turn this button on, then you have to simply toggle off the button in this way so that we won't mute any calls from this user. So that is how we can easily turn on calls on the Snapchat app of any users or Snapchatters. Now you will easily receive calls of this user on the Snapchat app. So that is how we turn on calls on the Snapchat app. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment on this video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.